Python Pandas, is order preserved when using groupby and ag? I frequently use Pandas ag function to run summary statistics on every column of a data.frma. For example, here's how you would produce the mean and standard deviation. In both of those cases, the order that individual rows are sent to the ag function does not matter. But consider the following example, which in this case the lambda functions as intended, outputting the second row in each group. However, I have not been able to find anything in the Pandas documentation that implies that this is guaranteed to be true in all cases. I want use ag along with the weighted average function, so I want to be sure that the rows that come into the function will be in the same order as they appear in the original data frame. Does anyone know, ideally via somewhere in the docs or Pandas source code, if this is guaranteed to be the case?
See this enhancement issue. The short answer is yes, the groupby will preserve the orderings as passed in. You can prove this by using your example like this. This is not true for resample, however, as it requires a monotonic index. It will work with a non-monotonic index, but we'll sort it first. There is a sort equals flag to groupby, but this relates to the sorting of the groups themselves and not the observations within a group. FYI, df.groupba.nth1 is a safe way to get the second value of a group, as your method above will fail if a group has less than 2 elements.
In order to preserve order, you'll need to pass .groupby ... sort equals false. In your case the grouping column is already sorted, so it does not make difference, but generally one must use the sort equals false flag.
Pandas 0.19.1 doc says groupby preserves the order of rows within each group, so this is guaranteed behavior. This URL.
Reference, this URL. The API accepts sort as an argument. Description for sort argument is like this. Sort, bool, default true. Sort group keys. Get better performance by turning this off. Note this does not influence the order of observations within each group. Groupby preserves the order of rows within each group. Thus, it is clear the groupby does preserve the order of rows within each group.
Jo, vänta senare. Läs ett subscribing.